Hello, and welcome to the Pharmacy Times News Network. I'm Kate Douglas, and your host for our Pharmacy Week in Review. Pharmacy's top leaders were honored this week at the 7th Annual Innovation and Inspiration Gala, celebrating this year's Next Generation Pharmacist Award winners. Receiving the coveted title of the 2016 Next Generation Pharmacist was Lisa Tonry, pharmacist and medical commodities advisor with the U.S. Agency for International Development's Office of Foreign Disaster Assistance. She is featured on the cover of the August issue of Pharmacy Times, which includes a profile of her award-winning contributions to the pharmacy industry. The Next Generation Pharmacist Awards were co-founded by Pharmacy Times and Parata to recognize top pharmacists, technicians, student pharmacists, and industry advocates who define and cultivate the future of the pharmacy industry. Nominations were received across 11 possible award categories, and at least 3 finalists and 1 winner were chosen for each category. Learn more about this awards program by visiting nextgenpharmacist.com. And now here's the latest on the Zika virus. The Walter Reed Army Institute of Research has just confirmed that the same Zika vaccine that successfully prevented the infection in mice has also proven successful in non-human primates. The Zika purified inactive virus vaccine prevented infection of 2 strains of Zika in monkeys. Because of complications associated with Zika infection, vaccine development remains imperative, and a Phase 1 human trial is expected to start later this year. In this next clip, Dr. Jeff Goad offers some hope for a Zika vaccine.
We have a vaccine to prevent yellow fever. What we don't have a vaccine to prevent is dengue fever, chikungunya, Zika. The good news is at least for dengue and now for Zika, there are vaccines in the pipeline. And for Zika, because of the media attention, because of the dollars flowing there, there's a little bit more interest among the FDA to encourage manufacturers to work on this. We probably will see a vaccine for Zika in the near future.
Moving to product news, the first potential drug therapy for a serious chronic liver disease is on the horizon, now that the FDA has fast-tracked Shire's investigational treatment called SHP626. The drug is being developed as a once-daily, orally administered inhibitor of a protein primarily responsible for recycling bile acids from the intestine to the liver. The treatment's fast-track designation was supported by preclinical and Phase 1 studies that assessed its safety and tolerability compared with placebo in healthy volunteers, as well as in overweight and obese patients. Pharmacists may receive more questions about lidocaine now that the Shack is back in advertising Icy Hot's new maximum strength rub for muscle soreness. In the new DTC campaign, the basketball legend enthusiastically endorses the topical medication, which claims to desensitize aggravated nerves and attack pain at the nerve level. Is it possible to forecast the flu season? The CDC recently invited interested parties to tackle this question in a flu forecasting challenge. Participants were challenged with predicting the start, peak, and intensity of the 2013 to 2014 influenza season, both nationally and regionally. New forecasting methods included Twitter data, search engine queries, and internet-based surveys. Only 4 forecasts correctly predicted the start, peak, and intensity of the flu season initially. However, the accuracy and precision of the forecasts improved as the season progressed. The forecast developers have further developed their methodologies and will repeat the predictive process in the 2014 to 2015 and 2015 to 2016 seasons. For more great coverage and practical information for today's pharmacist, visit our website and sign up for our daily e-news. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching our Pharmacy Week in Review. I'm Kate Douglas at the Pharmacy Times News Network.